is an example. Solve the DE. Okay, solve the DE means solve the differential equation. Okay, y double prime plus 9y equal to 4. So obviously this is a non-homogeneous because of your fx, right? Your fx is not equal to 0. Okay, step number 1, you find out the general solution for homogeneous equation first. So this is your homogeneous equation. So make it characteristic equation here. So m squared plus 9 equal to 0. Only 9, not 9m, because this is y, not y prime. So you have m plus minus 3i. So therefore your a is 0 and your b is 3. Okay, at this time, at this one, I don't want to explain more lah. I hope that you if you don't understand how I get a0 b3, you need to find out by yourself. You need to refer to the previous video. Okay, alright. So the general solution for the homogeneous equation is given by a cos 3x plus b sin 3x. Okay, so this is the general solution for homogeneous. So now you cannot stop until here, because in the step 1, the thing that you need to find out is y1 and y2. So actually this is your y1. You just take it from your equation. So you can see that you have 2 parts, right? A cos 3x and also b sin 3x. So you just take it, the function, the a and b you ignore. Okay, you just take it, the function. So you have cos 3x and sin 3x. So we will let the first one as cos 3x as a y1 and y2 is sin 3x. And same, what I said before, you can switch it in the y1 and y2. Maksudnya boleh switch antara y1 and y2 ni. Maybe I write here is y1 cos 3x. Maybe you or your friend will do y1 equal to sin 3x. It's okay, tak ada masalah. Okay, it's not problem. Alright, so after you declare your y1 and y2, so we proceed to the step number 3, which is you need to find out the Wronskian. Okay, your Wronskian. So y1 just now is cos 3x, y2 just now is sin 3x. Okay, so y1 prime, y2 prime. So differentiate cos 3x, what we have? Differentiate cos, you have negative sign, right? So you should get negative 3 sin 3x. And for this one, you have 3 cos 3x. Okay, so make sure you differentiate carefully, correctly. Okay, I don't want to this one you can refer lah. Kalau you forgot how to differentiate trigonometry, you may refer to any textbook, any Google. You just Google differentiate cos, differentiate sine. Okay, alright. So then cross multiply. So cross multiply. So you have 3 cos square 3x and then minus, okay, this is minus AD minus BC, and we have minus here, so it will be plus lah. Okay, plus 3 sin square 3x. Okay, alright, so you can see that we have 3, so factorize 3, keluarkan 3 tu. So inside here we left with cos 3x, cos square 3x plus sin square 3x. Okay, and this one, okay, this one is a trigonometry identity. I'm not sure whether you, but I believe that all of you already learned this one. Bukan dekat, because it's already learned in school. Dekat sekolah lagi dah belajar benda ni, trigonometry identity. Even yang tadi pun differentiation untuk sin cos pun dah belajar di sekolah. Okay, suppose they have no problem for you to understand or to what we call, to differentiate cos, sin and so on. Okay, So this one is trigonometry identity. You listen carefully, trigonometry identity. So you may, if you can't remember, you may search, okay, trigonometry identity. So this one is equivalent to 1. Okay, kita kena samakan, I mean it's equivalent to 1 if here 3x, here is 3x, kena sama. If here is only x, let's say sini ada x only, tak ada 3 ni, but here is 3x, it's not equal, right? So if not equal, we cannot equate equal to 1. Tak boleh jadikan satu, tak boleh. Trigonometry identity must be equal. If here is 3x, here must be 3x. Here is 2x, here also must be 2x. Here, if here is x, here also must be x. Okay, so it's equal 3x 3x, so therefore it's equal to 1. So we have your w is equal to 3. Okay, your w is equal to 3. So then step number 4, you need to calculate what? You need to calculate the u and also v. Okay, so u and v. So u is negative. Okay, integrate kat sini apa? Y to fx a w dx. Okay, so fill up this file first. So y2 just now is sine 3x. Okay, how about your fx? Okay, your fx, you can refer to the question. Okay, so your fx here is 4. What is your a? Okay, tengok coefficient untuk x square, apa dia? 1. Okay, how about w is 3. And then yeah, so you have kat sini tengok if you open the bracket, okay, this is 4/3. It's a constant, it's a fixed number. So we can bring outside. Okay, we can take out negative 4/3 to the in front of the integral punya symbol, because it doesn't affect. Okay, sebab dia tak ada variable x kat situ. So yang ada kat sini adalah sin 3x dx. Okay. Okay, sama juga untuk case ni, integration pun suppose you already know how to integrate. Okay, because this is a single variable only, sin 3x, which is x only, so you may know how to integrate. Okay, so I don't want to explain more on how to integrate this one. Okay, so negative 4/3. Okay, so sin 3x, integrate tadi differentiation. Sekarang kita nak integrate, so sin 3x. So, okay, kalau saya selalu lupa, saya akan tulis. Kalau you pun, kalau lupa, you selalu tulis lah. Okay, so integrate sin, you will have negative cos 3x over 3. Tengok beza dia. 3 tu kat bawah. Instead of just now, kalau differentiation 3 ke depan. Beza integration dan differentiation. So this is integration. So over 3. Okay, and then plus c. Okay, don't forget to plus c, because this is they have no limit, so this is indefinite. Okay, so c1 lah, c1, because you have another one that you want to calculate later on is v, right? Okay, so yeah, you can simplify now. So you have negative, so positive. 3 you can bring to outside, so you have 4/9 cos 3x plus c1. So this is the answer for you. For you, not for I. Okay, alright, for you. Okay, for you. Alright, okay, so now the next thing is, okay, remember this one the answer. Okay, now we need to calculate another one, which is v. Okay, the formula is same, cuma tukar y1 and y2, and also it's a positive. Okay, they have no negative sign in front. So your y1 here just now is cos 3x, your fx is 4, 1 and 3 dx. So same thing, you do it the same thing. So take out 4/3, so you left with cos inside. So integrate cos, you should get sin 3x over 3 plus c2. Sekejap, silap. Okay, plus c2. So take out 3, so you have 4/9 sin 3x plus c2. So this is the answer for v. Okay, and then the last step is just mix up, I mean just sum up between u and v. So u y1 plus v y2. So what is your u just now? 4/9 cos 3x plus c1. Okay, times with y1. y1 is cos 3x. Okay, and then plus your v is 4/9 sin 3x plus c2, and your y2 here is sin 3x. So this is your final answer. Okay, right, so this is your final answer. Okay, alright, so this is the what we call the steps, okay, the way how you answer for variation of parameter. Okay, so we are finished chapter 2, I mean the second order linear differentiation. So I summarize. So we have two type of equation. Okay, saya summarize in second order ni, chapter ni, second order of differential equation. So we have homo and we also have non-homo. Okay, right, so homo is means your fx equal to 0, and non-homo is mean that your fx not equal to 0. And for homogeneous, they have three conditions that you need to figure out, that you need to I mean you need to know, real and distinct. Okay, this is about your roots, real and distinct, real and repeated, and also complex conjugate. Okay, so real and distinct maksudnya is real and different lah, different. Real and repeated bermaksud is real and also equal, so it's the same. And the last one is complex conjugate, is in term of imaginary number and it is content I lah. Okay, for non-homo they have two method. Okay, undetermined coefficient, and also the second one is variation parameter. Okay, so make sure that you can differentiate between these two, I mean the steps and so on, the flow and so on. Okay, make sure you understand each of it. Alright, okay, so that's all for this chapter, second order differential equation. So for the next chapter is about Laplace transform. It's quite nak kata susah tak, tapi dia complicated sikit. Okay, alright, so make sure you ready and yeah, good luck. Okay, bye.